We'll be getting in some more breaking news also coming in. There is a new CCTV footage that has emerged showing Umar's I-20 car on the Aruna Asaf Ali Road around 2:35 a.m. before the blast. The particular footage reveals Umar visited the Faiz Elahi Mosque, shedding light on his movements prior to the attack. We have accessed another CCTV footage that is coming to light showing Umar's I-20 car on the Aruna Asaf Ali Road around 2:35 a.m. before the blast. Let me go across to my colleague Shambhavi, who is joining us on the broadcast. Shambhavi, we have a fresh CCTV coming in where it is seen how Umar at the Faiz Elahi Mosque and the I-20 car on the Aruna Asaf Ali Road around 2:35 p.m. before the blast. Give us more details.
Right, Triyanka, see, the CCTV footage is just yet another one has come up as the spine of this investigation, because these more than 60 CCTV footages by a team of more than 200 police personnel have been analysed and taken a note of in this previous days after the blast to understand the route that Umar took all the way from Faridabad and even before it, because we have information, we know that he was there in Nuh as well. So from Faridabad, what route did he take and reach this Red Fort area? And we have already informed our viewers. You are constantly reporting from outside the mosque, just opposite the Turkman gate. That is the mosque that he visited, and now this is a new CCTV footage where you can see his car, the Hyundai i20, in which there were explosives and in which the blast outside the Red Fort metro station was carried out. And you can see that he is again going to the mosque for just very briefly. This footage is around of 2:35 p.m. if I'm not wrong, and he stayed there, offered prayers for 10 minutes, and then he took the outer CP road, outer CP Circle road, and he went to the Red Fort parking lot at 3:19 p.m., was stationary there for 3 hours, moved out of it at 6:48 p.m. We've been constantly tracking the route. We have also traced the route that he took after leaving from Faridabad at 7:30. So again, this CCTV footage is just acting as another puzzle piece in this entire puzzle, in this entire information, just reaffirming every piece of information that Republic has broken on the very day, and even just a couple of days earlier, telling you about the CCTV. We also showed you the same CCTV camera from which the stills were taken, but those stills were not very clear because they were, of course, zoomed to make sure that that was Umar indeed who was entering the masjid. But now the car, the numbers, that same Hyundai i20 right outside the masjid confirms 100% that was Umar indeed, and he did go to the masjid for 10 minutes for a brief amount of time, and then he proceeded to move towards the Red Fort area, where just a few hours later he was planning a sinister act. Back to you.
Shambhavi, the question also arises here, was Umar trying to hide in the mosque because he was already in a panic situation that we know when Muzammil had got arrested, and there was interrogation of Muzammil, and also the recovery of 2,900 kilograms of the ammonium nitrate, the explosive which was recovered. The question also continues to be whether he was trying to hide inside the mosque.
Definitely, Riyanka. See, even in the video that we've been showing that he shot before carrying out this blast, you see that he was rather calm and composed. There was no sign of fear or agitation on his face, but he, of course, was agitated and a little discomforted by the fact that his affiliates, that his associates were actually captured or arrested, and they were being interrogated. So there must be at least some ounce of discomfort, and he was seen driving around Delhi, all over Delhi, most of the prominent places, to the India Gate area. He took the outer ring road and, drove around more than half of the Delhi. So And especially with this suicide style bombing, this Fidain style bombing that he's been seen advocating in the video, in the another video of his as well, he might seek recourse of God in this way, or that is what he was seeking. Maybe he was seeking comfort, or there was a chance that he could briefly trying to dodge somebody or hide for some amount of time, because he was hardly there in the masjid for 10 to 15 minutes. He left there in maximum 15 minutes. That is what the route that the police have traced is showing us. And then because it would need some time for him to reach the Red Fort parking zone as well, which is around 2 to 3 kilometers away from the masjid. So again, there could be a chance that he was trying to hide. There could be a chance that he was troubled, he was panicked, he was going to carry out a huge blast. So he could be going to seek some comfort.
Right, Shambhavi.